Tilt the pan. Oh, my God. Oh.
Tilt it.
No.
Come tilt it?
You are...
Tilt it, the rice is going to go down. Tilt it, we cannot do
Slightly, slightly.
Like that?
Yes, come on.
See, but the lemon are going.
Hold on. Can you come through the window?
Yeah.
And my drink has dropped now.
Wait. Let's see, we can do it. See?
Oh. What?
We can do it. Come on, sit in. Oh.
That looks incredible. This is exactly why I brought it to Spain. Not that bullshit there, but this here, bravo. Really, seriously. That
This is yours.
smells delicious. Fredo?
Hey, thank you. Here you are.
Fred, what's in there?
I was making a white sangria and it just fell on the floor. So I just had to improvise.
What have you done with your drink there?
So you just spent the last half hour cooking a paella and you just dropped the wine.
One thing you had to do, one job you had, only one. Your job
Gino,
was to make a white sangria. That's what you said
You
in the
know,
van.
it's a bit rich that you criticise. You almost set the army on fire.
Let's enjoy the moment, shall we, please? Seriously. This is better than any of the risottos you ever cooked me. I think you should start opening up Spanish. Gino's de Campos. Gino's de Campos. De Campos. Hey, seriously, honestly, delicious. And Fred.
Yes.
That is delicious. I mean, seriously, oh my God.
So, sorry about the RV now.
At least it's authentic, the smell.
Yeah. As we drive into Spain, they're going to be like, oh, there is Gordonos, Ginos, and Fredos.
Boys, here we are. This is the birthplace of flamenco.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Pretty around here.
A new day starts in Jerez, where we're going to indulge in two of Fred's favourite things, wine and dad dancing. More commonly known to the locals as sherry and flamenco.
Since I've done Strictly, I've got the bug with dancing.
You did Strictly for a Christmas special. You came 10th.
I did a great performance.
If I say so myself, I did a great performance.
You know, my fear was that I was not going to be able to perform under the lights when the music started, and I was just going for it.
I cannot tell you how proud I am of Tilly and what she did. But Strictly, just that pressure for any 19-year-old young girl. She'd never hardly worn heels. And so just to transform from a uni student into this prolific dancer, honestly, it just brought tears to my eyes.
How did you feel sitting there? Your daughter comes out, dressed beautiful.
Oh, man.
And then she's able to do that. What were you feeling inside as a dad?
Yeah, and the proudest moment of my life.
I mean, you with your daughter, you know, gold medals.
She done so well. You know,
Incredible.
when she won the Commonwealth,
Yeah.
and the pressure that she was under when she was on top of that board was immense because it was total silence, right? The dive was just so perfect. It was just incredible.
Luciano 20, the proudest moment for me when I realized that he can drink more than I can.
So
Anyway, we are on the verge of sounding like three old farts.
Three old farts in need of a drink to celebrate the end of the first leg of our trip. With Spain being the third largest producer of wine in the world, we couldn't wait to try the sherry exclusively produced in the Jerez region. After success